All right. So, Advent of Code 2025, day one. Yeah, so I started recording last year. I guess I will try and keep that up this year. And yeah, this year is definitely going to be different. So we only have 12 days, and there's no global leaderboard. I do have to admit, both of those changes are honestly kind of disappointing to me. Uh, but I understand the reasons behind them. In the global leaderboard, last year we saw with LLMs, global leaderboard is just irreparably destroyed. So I understand it. I'm disappointed, but I understand why that's gone. And we only have 12 days. Again, disappointed. I did like having 25 days every year, but I mean, Eric has to do what he has to do to stay sane and be able to keep producing this, and 12 days is better than no days. So I'll take what I get. On that 12 days note, it is going to be interesting. I did have to make a couple modifications to my libraries to make sure that they're handling that there's only 12 days. My auto commit script was prepared for the global leaderboard note in the submission line, but I made a modification to go and keep the delta time from when the problem launched. I have not gotten to test those because can't really test it without the site actually up with problems. So hopefully I'm not going to hit issues with those. We will see in just a couple minutes. But yeah, um, it is Advent of Code time again. We'll see if I'm warmed up and see how well I do. Just comparing against my own expectations now as opposed to competing against the world. So yeah, we will we'll see where this takes us. I don't think there's too much else to say. I mean, if you tuned in last year for some reason, I was very surprised at how many people were watching the videos last year. But I've got pretty much all the same helpers, same solution template as last year. So we'll see how well that serves me this year. It served me well in the past, especially some of these more complicated libraries like my graph library. Uh, yeah, I mean we'll see as we get to them. Yeah, here we go in 7 seconds. Let's go. 'R' and L's. Okay. Dial. Okay. 0 through 99. Great. Okay. Okay. That's not too bad. Mm, yeah, sure. Sounds reasonable. That's not okay. Okay, I did something wrong. Starts by pointing at 50. That's a big difference. Okay, that would do it. Ugh, that was dumb. Yeah, 23 versus 995. Uh, yeah, so lost 31 seconds there. Thank you. Okay. That's actually not bad. Okay. Um, okay. Yeah, so that was a dumb mistake on part one. Not, where did it say that it starts at 50? Right, oh, this isn't bold text. No wonder I missed it. Yeah, so aside from that, this is not exactly elegant code. Of course, I don't go for elegant code, I go for fast to write code. Yeah, we're just dealing with a numbered dial, 0 to 99, starting at position 50, not position 0, and turning right or left, just like a combination lock. Uh, this, I'm sure, is dreadfully inefficient. I So walking through my logic here, if we're turning right, position's increasing, of course. If it's left, it's decreasing. I don't remember offhand. I'm gonna check after I finish recording. What the modulus operator does for negative numbers in Python. I forget if it leaves it negative just under absolute value 100 or if it makes it positive. So I just said, you know what, it can't be less than negative 99. Don't think it can be less than 9. Um, it actually could have been because some of these numbers are kind of big. I'm guessing because of the fact that this worked, that the modulus operator actually uh, always uh, makes it. But actually, do we even care? We don't even care because this needs to be 0. Yeah. I'm so curious. I'll double check if this makes it positive. Turns out this isn't even necessary because we're only checking against 0. If we were checking against, say, position 1, this would matter. That's why I threw this in. Turns out completely useless. But yeah, it's that. Just do all the turns, count how many times it's at 0. Bada bing, bada boom. Uh, Part two, pretty much the same, just we're doing every single click, so we walk through all the clicks. Not too bad, pretty easy to code. Would have been about half a minute faster had I noticed when that the dial started at 50. Um, so slightly disappointing, could have been a little faster, but it is what it is. So yeah, good first day, and I'll be back tomorrow.